Right, so what we got here, just going to double check to see where the head gasket is compromised. Alright, so what I got here is my radiator tester hooked up. Right, and I got my bore scope inside the hole. Let me take off this light. Right, as you can see, you're seeing some coolant. Basically, with the pressure from the radiator, you can see the, hold on, sorry about that. Right now I'm down in cylinder number 3, and you see with the coolant is leaking on the head gasket. Customer said that they flush out the radiator, they replace the temperature sensor, and also it doesn't have a thermostat. Right, so this is a confirmed head gasket issue on cylinder number 3. Right, I'm not going to do a compression test or anything like that because we already know you're going to have low compression number 3 cylinder. Right, so I'm going to make a recommendation, either change the head gasket or the engine. It's up to him. Was told that he purchased the engine in this manner, so we don't know how long it's been overheating, and might be better if he just replace the engine. Right, so as I said, man, it's a confirmed head gasket issue. Right now I'm down in the cylinder. So what we observe is the coolant is dropping in the combustion chamber, right? So you notice the valve on top is really clean. So that's because the coolant, when the coolant drops inside the combustion chamber, it basically gets so hot that it creates steam, and it also cleans the area, right? So it's cleaning the valves, it's cleaning the cylinder walls, so the cylinder wall is not getting lubricated like it's supposed to. So that will contribute to the hard start, the misfires that he's getting. What else? He could be also getting like engine light triggering on, the temperature gauge coming on, staying on, and it gets worse especially when he puts on the AC and put any load on the vehicle. So as I said, this vehicle was already diagnosed for a faulty head gasket. I was just showing the client, from inside out basically, so you could get a better appreciation of what he's seeing. So with the evidence, the client can make the decision on what he want to do and when he want to do it, right? So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, criticism. Tell me what you like, what you don't like down in the box. I'll leave a link for the tools that I use, so you don't have to go this high tech to confirm a head gasket issue. As I said, this was just my option that I choose. It was quick, it was fast. The client appreciated it, so take it easy.